Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Several business operators in St. Catherine which depend on flow services, their operations have been derailed over the past few days. Some even took to social media demanding action. Here is TVJ's Andrew Lately.
Imagine running a business without internet connection for a day. Now imagine being forced to operate like that for a week. That's the kind of service some Flow customers have been complaining about, especially those in the parish of St. Catherine. And it's not just poor internet connectivity. Flow customers also complain about disruptions when making voice calls and sending text messages. To make matters worse, the customers argue that it's difficult to get through to Flow's customer service hotline. This Flow customer claimed she had been waiting for close to 30 minutes. Senator Matthew Samuda also joined the social media plea, arguing that he has had no success in getting through to Flow's call center representatives. The Business Day sought a response from Flow. Communications manager Sheila Morgan said the company is crafting responses which would address the concerns, but up to news time, no responses were received. In the meantime, businesses are left to operate without proper connectivity for another day. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Almost 1,000 young people turned up at Ibex Portmore Pines this morning for a recruiting exercise. But only about 500 of them will be able to land a job in the company. Senior recruitment officer at the company, Cleona Gallimore, told our news center that the recruitment drive started on Friday.
We have approximately over 200 plus people that showed on Friday. Now, as you can see, the crowd here, over almost 1,000 persons are here right now, waiting to be processed for interviews to start working as soon as Monday.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar being sold for $140.20. The Canadian dollar is going for $107.27. The pound closed at $179.05, while the euro ended the day at $157. The JC index gained 2,362 points today, and the junior market index is up by 1 point. Among the winners were Epley, Portland JSX, Proven Investments, JMD Shares, Caribbean Cream, and 1834 Investments. On the losing side were Proven Investments, USD Shares, JMMB Group 7.5%, G West Corporation, Jamaica Producers Group, and Knutsford Express Services. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.